Hey everybody, it's Earl at MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check out this gorgeous custom LS2 67 Chevelle. This thing is just beautiful. Medium gray metallic paint with the black top, black buckets, sitting on 20-inch American racing wheels and tires. Great stance. Fully been redone, nut to bolt, a few years back. LS2 powertrain with a 4L60 overdrive transmission, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, all custom engine bay, shaved and done right and painted. It's gorgeous. Pretty much like one of a kind, way we like them. Aluminum radiator with dual fans. The best of best. All your hoses and belts are in great shape. Paint is great. We're gonna go through this badass. Look at that. Gaps out great on the hood. Seems to have all original panels. All your chrome has been redone and all your grills done right. All your lights are working. Fender's in good shape. It's got the vent windows. Gaps out the way it should. Fender to the door. Door to quarter, the same. No paint flaws that I could find. It's got dual sport mirrors. All your glass and moldings are in very good condition. Somebody spent a lot of time. I've got a full book of documentation on this car as well. Look how straight this sucker is. All right, so trunk gaps out the way it should. Rear glass is good. All your chrome everywhere is in good shape. Rear bumper, trunk's in great shape too, folks. Four-wheel disc brakes all the way around. Trying to get it on the angle so you can see what I can see. It's beautiful. The paint is thick. Drilled rears. Gap is good. Quarter to door. Fender to door. Beautiful looking car. Interior. Back seats all there with all your seat belts. Headliner good. That's your packet of all the stuff, or most of the stuff I want to assume that's there. Your dashboard's great. There you go. It's got your SS buckets inside. Custom digital dash. Upgraded sound system. Air conditioning. Looks like the clock's working. I like that. Carpets are great. Everything seems to be working the way it should. Tilt steering wheel. Look how nice it is in the cavities here. Clean. Clean. It's a nice car. 136 VIN car. Totally, completely redone. Nice. Let's fire up. All your gauges are working correctly. surrounding. Beast. Car runs out great, drives well, stops the way it should. Just love the way his stance is. All suspension's been gone through. Ready to go. We're located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Our warehouse is open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2. Grab a pen, I'll give you my number to schedule yourself an appointment because it is by appointment only. We've got over 190 vehicles in stock that we own. All our pricing, videos, and pictures are on our website, mgmclassiccars.com. We offer special financing with good credit up to 180 months, minimum down 10%. We have shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured. You're gonna have to have good credit in order to get finance, folks. So if you have any questions on the 67 Chevelle Pro Touring car or anything else in our inventory or need quotes on shipping, please contact me at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl, 773-600-0919. Like us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Got a lot more cars coming out. This one's a beautiful, beautiful 67 Pro Touring LS2 overdrive transmission, 4-wheel disc brakes, beauty. Give me a call if I could help you. 773-600-0919. Thanks, everybody.